Okay, so we had spoken about step time, end time, dwell time, and decay in the previous video. So I'm just going to go through and change a few things up. Let's go ahead and put this back at a 1, enter, next 1, enter, next 1, enter, next 1, enter. Right? So I made those a step time, and I want them to fade up in a 1 count and then delay for nothing, right? And then they're down their fade time at a 0. 0, enter, 0, enter, 0, enter, 0, down, right? Great. So, and let's go back up here, and let's go ahead and put them back at a 0, 0, 0, 0, right? And then let's go live, and we'll look at our chase. So they fade up and blink out, 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 right? So we've affected the rate just by the individual step time. There are other ways that we can affect the rate, right, or how fast this chase runs, and that's known as cycle time. I'll go to my virtual keyboard, effect, right? And if we start to come over here and we look at these attributes about what's going on, right, you'll see that there is a cycle time option here. And I can change this cycle time, right? It puts it in the command line, and let's just cut it in half and see what happens. 2. You'll note that when I change the cycle time, it has changed all of my step time and my end time, and it would have affected my dwell and decay time as well, right? So let's go to live, and let's see what our chase looks like now. It's going a lot faster, right? So we're able to globally affect our chase speed, right, with this cycle time here. And if I put this back at a 4, right, it puts my time back to where I'd set it. And I can even go in and select, I can make it slower, affect time 8. Let's go look at that real quick, right? And you can see that it's much slower. It fades up and then blinks out, and fades up and then blinks out, right? So that's cycle time. And I'll just go back in, effect, right? So cycle time and how that affects the speed of our chase.